Welcome to our new episode about Thai blessings, and of course, today is Songkran. Happy New Year to all of you. For today, you can say
สงกรานต์ปีใหม่ สวัสดีปีใหม่
In these phrases,
ปี
means year and
ใหม่
means new. The Songkran festival is renowned for its water fights, symbolizing the washing away of misfortunes and bad luck, and ushering in good fortune and joy for the new year. Get ready for this amazing festival, and I hope you enjoy it a lot. It's a vibrant part of Thai culture, filled with joy and festive spirit, making it the perfect time to learn these greetings. And next, let's learn how to say happy birthday in Thai together. The phrase for happy birthday is
สุขสันต์วันเกิด สุขสันต์วันเกิด
Here's what each word means.
สุขสันต์
Means happy.
วันเกิด
Means birthday. Another way to celebrate birthdays is to say
ขอให้มีความสุขมากๆ ขอให้มีความสุขมาก
which translates to wish you much happiness. It's commonly used during birthdays and personal celebrations to express heartfelt wishes for happiness. Let's break down each word.
ๆ ขอให้
Translates as wish or may.
มี
Means have.
ความสุข
Means happiness.
มาก
Means very much or a lot. This phrase is perfect for expressing your good wishes to someone on their special day or any other joyous occasion. And I want to wish you easy learning of the Thai language and also want to say good luck. The phrase
ๆ ขอให้โชคดี ขอให้โชคดี
means good luck. Let's break down each word.
ขอให้
Translates as wish or may.
โชคดี
Means good luck. And the last blessing sentence in Thai is
ขอให้ร่ำรวย ขอให้ร่ำรวย
which means wish you wealth. Here,
ร่ำรวย
means prosperity or wealth. This phrase is especially popular during Chinese New Year and in business-related contexts, wishing prosperity and financial success. I hope these Thai phrases have been helpful, and if you want to learn more, feel free to let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, Happy New Year to all, and see you in the next video.